Few people know this secret. It's considered the best chicken in the world. I'll start by cutting off the tips of the wings from one whole chicken, then I'll open it in half lengthwise. Tell me how you cook chicken at home. I'd love to know your recipe. Now we'll season with black pepper to taste and salt to taste. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching from so I can send you a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to David Wilson from Miami, Florida. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. I'll cut 150 grams of butter into cubes. Stick them with toothpicks. Then use those same toothpicks to attach the butter to the chicken. In a bowl, I'll add 500 grams of potatoes, 2 carrots sliced, 200 grams of champignons mushrooms cut into smaller pieces. Season with half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter cup of olive oil, and mix everything really well to combine. This is one of the chicken recipes that's most popular in my family. Everyone keeps asking me to make it again. I'll transfer the vegetables to a baking tray. Add some sprigs of rosemary. I'll put the chicken on the oven rack and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. The combination of the chicken with these roasted vegetables is simply amazing. I'm sure you'll love making it at home. Then come back and tell me how it turned out. I'd love to hear.